Hey everyone, this is Beth, the Outsider. So today I'm at one of my favorite hiking locations. It's handy because it has a creek, so lots of critters love to come here too to take a sip. I just spotted a little sparrow taking a little bath and getting a sip earlier, so that was cute. So the great thing about hiking in the wintertime is that the snow can be used as a tool for you to help find animals that live in the area. So today I spotted mule deer tracks, let's see what else, raccoon tracks. Bunny tracks, some rodent tracks, and so on. So you get a feel for what's in the area. And the other nice thing about winter hiking is, of course, no bugs. And then on top of that, because the trees have no leaves, you can really get a good feel for what kind of birds might be in the area. So today I spotted a mated couple of red-tailed hawks in a courtship dance called a sky dance. So that was kind of fun to watch, and I got to photograph a couple shots of the red tails flying about. So get out, enjoy, and have a wonderful day.